Hello and welcome to making a tire in Sketchup. As in all my videos, we start with going to View, Toolbars, and we choose the large set. Now the tools will be on your side, the same as mine. I'll close that. For this one I won't need the person, so I click on them. On the keyboard I hit the delete key. Starting with the circle tool, we're going to go up without clicking until it changes to a side view. And then we're going to start out and release that. Now we're going to use our hand tool and move it over so we can see it. We'll use our offset tool to make most of our circles. I'll click on it, come to the outside, and this will be the size I want the tire width to be. That'll be up to you. I'll start out and make mine about like this. Then I'll use the same tool and I will make the size I want for the rim. Then I will go in again and I'll make the size I want for the center. And from there I will also come in and draw a little bit of an area here. This is where the fins will attach to, or the spokes I should say. Now I'm ready with my tire. Let's go ahead so we can see perspective. I'll orbit it just a little bit. And now you're going to take the push-pull tool and you're going to select it and make it as wide as you want the tire to be. If you want real wide tires, make them wide. For me, I'll make mine about this size. Next, I like to add a little bit of color to make it so that I can kind of see what's going on. So I'll choose the paint bucket, come over. I have the colors selected here, and I've gone over to the spot at the bottom. I don't like to select the total black because then it blends in with the line too much. So I'm going with the charcoal. I'll color the side of my tire. I'll go with the dark gray for the back. This way there's a little perspective on it. And now I'm going to take a look and see what I want to do with the rest of this. Let's see. I think I'll change and go to metal. And here we'll go ahead and, because I'll make aluminum rims and tires, I will click aluminum on those spots. On the inside, I'll just go with maybe a seamed metal. Now it will give it a little texture. From this point, we're ready to use the pencil tool. You'll notice that in SketchUp, you actually get a 24-sided object for a circle. So there's going to be little points along the way, and we're going to look at those, and we're going to use those to our advantage. We'll start on the inside. We're going to click from here, and we're going to go from point to point. Point to point. I have to do this 24 times. It takes just a little bit of time, but you're going to follow along and do the same thing. You're going to notice that each one of those points will go to the next point over. So take just a moment, and go ahead and do that. Hopefully I will pause the video so you don't have to watch it. But if for some reason I don't get that finished, then I don't. So I'm going to continue to record, and hopefully I'll edit it in a few minutes. So you can see that from point to point, point to point. Go all the way around. Then we'll move to the next step. There, now that we've finally completed that, we're now ready to take and delete every other one. So with the selection tool, I will select every other one. I'll hit the delete key, and I'll just select them and delete them. There we go. Now you can see we have a little bit more perspective. Let's go ahead and add a little depth here. We'll use the push-pull We'll add some depth out on this, a little more depth in this area. And as I look at this, I can see that my tire is ready to go, except that I need to go back to my colors, back to the bottom, and I need to add the back of the tire because I forgot to do that earlier. There we go. And now we have a tire. Thank you.